Kangen water is a ionized water made by Enagic's Kangen water machine that converts normal tap water into either alkaline or acidic water, depending on the setting you choose. Most people having queries that will Kangen water help to lose weight. As we know, our bodies are in a more acidic environment from all of the processed foods, sugary drinks and caffeine we consume. The body creates fat cells in order to neutralize the acidity. Drinking alkaline water will help neutralize those acids and reduce fat storage. People with a healthy level of alkalinity will not produce the fat cells needed to neutralize acid that enters the body. Another secret to weight loss is proper hydration. Alkaline water provides better hydration than regular water because it is readily absorbed into the body. Most athletes will turn to alkaline water because of its hydration benefits. Start out your day by drinking a glass of cold alkaline water to help boost your metabolism. Drinking a glass of alkaline water a half hour before each meal will also help you feel fuller longer. The hydration will help your body produce the necessary digestive fluids. Alkaline water also provides increased energy and improved muscle function by preventing lactic acid buildup in muscles. So if want buy Kangen water machine, you may click offer link in description. At last, if you want get in touch with this type of knowledgeable video, you may subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Thank you.